Hallelujah. Do send amiti biara Yesu na waje Jidi said ya utie piano to me bi na abon ho ban obrempon bi nyame bi a ye de ye ho atwere no wono na abo ye ho ban ama ende ye wada asan abetwe fantastic ochi ase nyame atom bibia edidem kama live ewo Adum TV so ene awie a wo hye we eye fire for fire live ewo number 1 television station in fact kroma ye ni size o tu kwan a na obehu sampa ye ka Adum TV asem kirewo a ewiase nyina obia aja Adum TV atum Black Stars for Eda Campa and no mukodu Johannesburg television station bi enu wo mo hwe Adum TV fire for fire and no bia ehwe ba bia wo bia so betimi ahwe ne live o chiase enti no ye be fire in a professional way the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana and they a match day may expect every Ghanaian may expect Ghana ni bia say support no Odibema the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana and you are Ghanaian we are Ghanaian enti na make twi no kura na wote ase yie no wote ase enti ase yetimi e de support no ma team no obi anim say na e match day and then a match day but ase wo mu so etimi deliver e de ma Ghana for wote ase ese Black Stars ese omutimi enya AFCON qualification no enne eso me yehu se adwuma na si e wo South Africa madam for be term no se adwuma na si what you say enti ese coach CK Akono na assistant ayi David Duncan dey no class me hu no park ni so enti ese technical team no Black Stars team no ese wo mama yehu se adwuma na si Black Stars get the qualification job done in South Africa and the fireman be join it commentary position no Patrick Osei Ajiman countryman Songo the man himself obe join it live what you say e wo show ne so ani I'm telling you me say there commentary position me fire Songo be fire na unso fire na ye oja esi ti me konko den ko yanim na ye hu se Ghana football agina na so Hepa Plus mixture me show kona ko pe aduro ya kira kwan enu a me wie show pe eno bi fra me se Kobi Hepa Plus mixture no aduro no se sanete nam se ane sanete kona ko pe bi e ma ye nkasa na se ye kase gukwa dabi eye duro bi a eye papa fire for fire show no yemfa product emma so a obi anyi ntumu Hepa Plus mixture kono ko pe bi okwa oso to Hepa Plus mixture said the TBA malaria no, a bit too ase de amount. A dear one day fufro, and a beshow mu. A bemo so sampa, which now now so, o compared Martin. What I say, it's your best room or commentary position. I've told you. Send the great man himself, the fireman himself, Obe fire all the way from America. And now Obe fire live on this show. Enti tamu kuchu. Enti you do commentary position there. Na unim say a hamtamen Jensen. Jensen a boy jumatin. Hamtamen Jensen. A boy jumatin. Am wawun sampa. Hamtamen Jensen. Jensen no ya de good one ya ene kama me say a hamtamen Jensen kono kope bi nanom. Kama pa. We are not fe o the big boss energy drink e ja relax kakra. Program bia koso kroma no obi anim se se o servo product a kama fe na sanso eboa o cha se ma wan hu se onom eye energy drink no energy fufuro bi abewura mu big boss energy drink timika no ma cho se be ya obi mfa fake one ma wunti no ota no ahwese ya artist Stonewall eda ho ana woni ho a enye papa a big boss energy drink. And afe Elohim Treatment Center. Yadie no said it ye bia say ye honhom yadie. O cha say o de chinchin o de akokoko baby sorry bebre mpacho o de ye baby o de adru na ye. Kona kopie mu e Elohim Treatment Center. De bia me kom ho asema kire fa kɔ ho wo mehwew ama ahoden no aba. Ahoden no aba se duabo ene abodua wafu ayekutu ofe sesebe sika negum ye sika negum aka osoda no pe watwam ayi kakra de ahye ho untimi ntwam enye sika kona kopɛ kira kwan otina fa kwa oto wade so otifa kwa oto yade so enu ntini ye kanfo Elohim Treatment Center ede amawo no freshman capsules, fresh lady capsules, freshman capsules, fresh lady capsules. A bad yeni, bema dieni, a canania or groby, yes, I grown into quani for boom. Na see the boom say ya, no sampa, ujina naso. 80 fresh lady capsules, freshman capsules, fresh lady ye, freshman ye, for boom na radie. Would the wabi dia das ye no. What you say? Now, Black Stars of Ghana. Ghana for the support in Amamo. In fact, before I move free Chroma, any money at Sinemu, I was South Africa. Support Biamuhiano, I believe, and I know, sir, according to the FNO, team no any support in Inina. FA President Kosamo, and Omakasa, Sports Minister, Obaye, and Womse Ugusua. What to normal dear, but also a jana dajire, a bedina ho, and mo bedin kra kama. Semino Cassia team no hono, minim some minutes, you know, I will be I'll represent you on our South Africa ho. In the person of Mr. Emmanuel Ochen. So you have everything. What I say? Now you have to qualify over there. Sure, when say no, Sudan, a ball. South Tome game ni we no and for bia who said 999 now obia points to be obia on the points. That's why Yakasa Blasters gets the AFCON qualification job done in South Africa. Kelly game no South Africa and no we are trying and some who say Ghana for destiny no Esemunsem, you being a player, no Ghana for destiny. Esemunsem, yes, break it out. Sebeko of Konibi, say young Kobi, Sebeko Cameroonibi, say young Kobia. Ekita more players now. Yademo Akupio was South Africa, no. What I say? He said, no. What your points now? Why achieve you? When you shall do no, why? Eso who said, oh, just 3 points, no. Yadie bia uye wia ahamat no pame mobi kura e hone na hia against South Africa and no na ye the most important game esiebo Enti no na make say. Coach CK Akono. Don't go and repeat some mistakes against Sudan. Because we all saw that bad selection bad selection selection semi Ghana ni otiatire do oton toes do oton kube do otnam eton ice water ehun selection no say coach anya de so those mistakes now against Sudan ema ko tie ye ema ndey ye gina bebi ye gina no we don't want to see that mistakes ye pese ye be hu biem o cha say who say selection of best players no eno na timi win game edimo bia ewiase afo na nyina o select best players eno ene timi win game edimo enti na all for player because of encophobic personal interest, because of how me no feel, how me no maye, because of encophobic interest omuwanti and the players na man no ofo say deliver drop the player, drop that player. I'm telling you, CK, Miss Lopa, and I respect you. Ghana Fonya respect you, support no ho. What I say, Ghana for me brena and can support ni wa and can somebody dodo na kase yem fa duma no kra male pet no, but because you have our support you are still working. And tell men kind of crunch now, if you have support from Fire for Fire team and our listeners, you have the support from this team, you are solid. And to me persist on using the right players. Uncle repeat some mistake be our against Sudan no ye mistakes be. I'm telling you, unless you near the trouble, but who are near the trouble, who wants a game no mistakes be brilliant and you repeating and now and what's the chair baba it's not because of don't go and underrate South Africa at all, because on bet me South Africa for no one more who say opo match we are when Sudan na ekobo against Sudan one no ekobo ono so ewo 9 points ni bi no very difficult. Now yanko New York Ocha the great man himself, the big man, I really miss him so much, Patrick Osei Ajiman, countryman songo Bosu ba kope Chema Ghana for nyina 8 years. Send a normal here in New York.
Me mo bibia kwaba na more fire and come out bibia or a Ghana or share a Fire for Fire. And for New York, Mount Vernon, with the family, no meet me a culture was very fantastic. I mean, bibia koso kama, you know, it was a happy moment. Say me be do New York, Mount Vernon, me be home with ma and then my wife. That is the family. It was really a fantastic moment and a day for me. And me a catch us say be added and we are all looking up. Say I mean we have a fantastic family reunion and stay. And also today we are looking up. Say Blasters. Everything Eddie and Kunima qualify straight up. I'm a young who say yes. Ghana Blasters. AFCON qualification is simple. Eddie, you understand? AFCON qualification is simple. Eddie Ghana. We don't have to struggle. Or see, it's me qualify. Or the by now, qualify. And then, when say Ghana for will be our attention. Yeah, it was our giveaway, which I believe said, I mean, we have to keep the boys on their toes, the professional way to make sure on which we are qualified Ghana. But with my family there, New York, Mount Vernon there, fantastic. I mean, energy and more fire.
More fire. And now on commentary position, Jaya can say team no so much team winning. I get 3 points, you know, from South Africa before some member do Ghana. Fireman Ghana for you. More fire.
More fire, yeah. Said of D can kind of.
Yes, ma'am.
AFCON, no. Ghana agenda 4 times. And Ghana Ekrobia Ebano African Cup ya qualify on several occasions. I mean, you can't be a AFCON qualifier, no, and yet they for my and I expect Coach CK in the boys and they say they will deliver. Yes, we may not have the full complement of our team. If your boys in the captain Jordan and Cody are not there. But I believe that Ghana, your talent, your players, and Ghana, your players and your talent, you get the right thing. Ningina ni see be correct players. Ningina ni see you be correct selection. Ni yedi ID SC kind. That is all that we need. We will qualify, and me know by now. No think you to me qualify and I see a qualify me. By now, no think you qualify me. What you call Sudan say, Nenu Kwanzaa Sudan say. Sudan, yes, you grow Musobobo, all right. But history will tell you, say, Sudan for Omuntimi, Omusre. So by now, this game would have been a preparation match for a AFCON now. Yeah, you understand? Because more than 30 years, it means they have trophy, it means they cap. Into that preparation, you know, also they started from the and it's told me final game, no. Me who say yes, yeah, the AFCON not coach. But now this is where we find our situation: 9.9 point. It will be a win. No to me, yes. South Africa, Olusu game where or Sudan. Very difficult game at the man because Sudan also they are bent on saying also ever qualified. Playing against Sao Tome, Sudan for they would definitely get the advantage to win. You understand? Because Sao Tome the whipping boys and your team biasa 80 now and then also your boys, you know, giving them that chance to prove that Black Stars and they can also play because almost your talent to they have to deliver at all costs, seeking any excuse.
More fire.
You understand? Because South Africa follow almost so top guys. Because of COVID situation. But their local league, you know, so fantastic. I mean, they have the likes of the Mamelodi Sundowns players, you know, Kaiser Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, teams, you know, almost so fantastic players are almost so put two together, playing at their backyard, you know, almost at all costs, but South Africa for this real. South Africa for Oman Kassan say Omusuro Ghana. And Oman Kassan say, yeah, more born Ghana show. But a Janaya players not to coach in it, excellence in coaching it tactics. He has to show, CK has to show, say he's the man in charge because supporting the now kind of. Yeah, the man from the president and the last person.
More fire.
Be the amana. You hope it will be to me a deliver. It is nothing but say, seek a bit me qualify so much we and yet South Africa, your bubble born baby, no say Ghana qualified. Now your boss told me match no Homer, a year Ghana. We can use that match as say you prepare your hood your call a year AFCON. That and no say one for the top guys then at least Oma your person your drafts to the national team. Some players can show off. Nebema CK get two boys need together, preparing them together for AFCON. Near to me a formidable and a fantastic team. Near to me, they are quite breaking that genes now more than 30 years.
More fire.
To me any day.
More fire.
AFCON.
More fire.
And the thing man say CK and then the boys, you know, they have to deliver and coach Ube deliver. Good tactics, good formation, discipline. Your boys will listen to you. They will play according to your instructions. You will be in charge. You will make sure, say, daddy and good selection and influence selection. Yes, you have the boys. But putting the first 11 together and sign a bench now back about the making impact of the game, look, a coach, you know, and CK Akono. Ghana in there show, Ghana is supporting him out. But what we are saying is that you yourself as a coach have to be disciplined, very disciplined in your tactics, your formation. You make sure, say, your selection, no interference. Yes, you listen to your advice, but at the end of the day, it should be you, CK Akono, to make sure that at all costs, we bet me qualify me who say, You do call AFCON now. You perceive breaking that genes of 30 years, more than 30 years into me. You perceive breaking that genes no. Your master tactician be or your discipline will bet me be a call. I'm here to me a quacoji, Sakapo. More fire.
More fire. Fantastic. I told my viewers and then my listeners, and they said the great man himself and I joined the show no our commentary position. And what channel what who said and they what they fire no at form now watch the CK and no man say to me so 85 man before Major Muno. Now talking about CK and the players too. Mona moko akojina CK amount chance who your local player you also have to deliver and yes afei and a player be ko pupuneto and a friend a player be ko any your now talk to the players they are also watching you now yeah so ni say
oh player bia or bubble ball from bia won't give you the best piano you have a permanent national team we encourage that player what I say because selection in the a lot of things now cost CK did selection in the a lot of things what I say omo ma film omo ma account omo ma withdraw you understand omo in some factors omo bebem yeah, Ghana ni bia o ye player bia se pataso obo national team no but any average players
more fire
and your players are you know omo cut out for the national team now you omo agent be ana penny be ana chairman be ana president be ana officer be ana politician be ana coach no crowd seeking no interest basa be no mo players grand national team because Ghana would in Ghana national team no can sell players. Player winning ball bokura or your average no kwano or say blasters jesia ni value e wa abutire market no fantastic because what say Ghana blasters jersey Ghana e wo din wo football Ghana call World Cup Ghana J AFCON African Cup Ghana are produce great players you understand their baby players you know the Razak Abdul Razak Muhammad Polo Osei Kofi Ghana produce Stephen Apia Ghana produce Tony Yeboah Ghana produce Samoa Jan Ghana produce fantastic players eti Ghana player bi obese blasters Jesse Biano neton wa abrochire easy and we are not here to sell players say the national team no average players agent for agency for any interference so-called football people paying for any players just say omu benyo benefit so money benya the benefit money benya cap or money bedin kunum and you hear Ghana for say players no omu any opportunity neno ye nyina ye hwebi player bi obobo ball fun bia one year well cut out for the blasters biam you be fire
no in a professional
blasters
in a professional
and you be able to show player fun bia so on national team because already select in a lot of things a lot of fire a lot of talk and akoswa ya chirem for no any coach in say yeah blasters no and yes also omo player agency me to top players but rather national team no any correct players o metimi akoko den ama ye competition especially AFCON no ye betimi akoko break that genes na yetimi age African Cup
fantastic
and the players in here we are supporting them but we are keeping them on their toes in a professional way to make sure say o met deliver their money player bi obobo ball fun bian o jambe to sin ye be yin free national team and ya national team so this is the opportunity they need to deliver and deliver well for Ghana. You hear win, you hear qualification in there. I'm a Ghana Obia who say yes, this is Ghana Blasters, African Cup of Nations, and I say AFCON qualified here. A cheap, a easy.
The cheapest one.
And one Ghana.
And one.
Who you coach here the Ghana Blasters more.
Which me qualify. Also to me qualify. More fire. So go where the you better say na yense umbre bebre. Ese ma Ghana for so etimi pem na obian so ebe fire in the professional way. Na se okwa ende when your chocolate kakra at Africa ma bibia de dem din.
Nyame enso so enka obi bia emrepa bia mo beto mo safre me bia no mo betemi ka. For now it is all New York, Mount Vernon, the fireman with the family. It is so super and fantastic.
More fire, more fire, more fire, more fire. 03022111701, 03022111702, 03022111703, 03022111704. Mr. Oba ya din komo enya fei na o sign abeye sa kululu line no Mr. Osmosis time ni sha obi ba no delay pe yini free so obie volume no na oversee a time yini free so ni enko yanim apirugu chakapama fire Ghana 40 more fire
Okuma Kra Kimpon Cappuccino Tiu live Okuma Kra I think you will see Black Stars the best of luck. And then Omuma defense ni munyati.
more fire
Midfielders, no. Omu get to my day na attackers ni so goals into. Kono ba ya day. Na so omu draft into. Na no definitely no. Yes we need match.
Oja guli fire ni enko fresh lady capsules freshman capsules and council minia
Nedia ye bonfire ma blaster.
more fire
Yes sleep players ya. Ombenya akwanya no. Say ekwem bia so mo nko ofode na next time ye fresh squad ya ta flow mo na so mo kototo papa so dey at say the song kan ye no what ye pam wo mo medium wa blishim so mo be ko dey ye nya ye draw the ose getimi edeba oni nyam nyu
Hamtamin Ginseng Big Boss energy drink Sanso and a perfect designs omo no ma share me atade kama no perfect designs fantastic afternoon call mama man twempna fire ne yakua nim Ghana 40
yo minia mesomu ewosuhum
yakua nim
minia wohwe oman Ghana mri bi atwam a we ye me wofase we ye makunta we ye minia ba men senia ma no atwam so what you say senia ma nyina ayade atwam it is say no so kila game na eba so no minia Ghana for unum say city akono match when in the first place, the match is the top match. The moment Ghana, South Africa, you say top match. And at the end of the day, no, I hope the Siga could be thinking at the moment Ghana.
Oja, me yakua nim so mo this winning mentality no and a co game no more. Man twempna fire ne yakọ Ghana 40 Ishak, mayentie Ishak.
Kobe.
More fire.
Kobe Ghana Blasters yabon hoka e the taxpayers money ne twa omuka. O hwe plane ticket ni we ya twetwa mo ba Ghana ha ye almost e ko South Africa no. Ye de supporters no. Isika ya say no omo hu nyina ye de nya ni win. Ati ase ndi obi an ka say ye ko bodra na e ko lose azan ya be calculation go group no. Aye open at 3 teams no bi abetima qualify. Ntinya fe na e be calculation bia omo nko no mun ko wini no mun qualify ko afcon no e ma because already e bo mun ka yenya so mfa so bia no man wini no mun
Oja me yakua nim Thomas fire ne yakọ Ghana 40 me yenti o Thomas sentimi engina so jana hyehyɛ no o cha say Hepa Plus Mixture Hamtamin Ginseng Big Boss energy drink Elohim treatment center Sakumeyo family fire ne yakua nim Ghana 40 ono so entimi engina fresh lady capsules Sakumeyo Mayentio
Akwaga
Metio pa yentio yatonka
mama baso but ma pa nyami shao na cha kanta so ko kan so fire pa fire nyami shao ele kan say so fete mu de so to tebe ga no shao me ba so ga baso adelo kan na beten the brother the buke player na se ma ko nyati na so ba to baso ole pamo asa wo biom e di wo ya cha da also to be aboboni ye na ga to qualify nyami shao bye.
Oja ese omoti asese we ontwen emaye endu final game as we qualify we player ni amawa kwanja ese prove yourself against South Africa. This is the game abeti media prove Alhaji Makosa adjoin show no enche obeti nenka na mafaya wie songo afire Ghana for fire Alhaji be fire na ye oja
boom no we about to say we oh say boom 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 now let me hear say we oh.
All right, live ewo Adum TV so and Sabre wani egusu a wo hwe no fire for fire. Sabre de Alhaji Makosa na watena se enche na se obetine nka se wono so ede ne de eba. And the fireman oti se wo fire edi free eye New York. Ache se enya dia eda from kra enso hye no so se enapa mackerel de bia meka wasem echo se eno ena papa no okokrom akoto eye enam egu chensi mu a waka se ope enapa de ni bi eno ene de papa de bia no yekoso a eka wasem echo sanso ena heaven insecticide spray ene mosquito coil no eno so ejina na so pa mesro kono kope bi na eno so entime emboa ene ena yenua Kofi Park empenfo hwɛ se ne na wɔtwe da no ebetime ayɛ adwuma na me ho hwɛ dodo na na eba town sabre ukoma na se ade se Kofi Park enso free ɛyɛ Koforodua eba o cha se Kofi Park ono efiri Koforodua eba DJ advisor ne na wɔtwe ayie no nti no mo nyina no eba total 2 na Kofi Park ɛwɔ Koforodua na yenya ne ntia se omo eba we a special one from my boss or say happy birthday enko Farmer Junior Tiero shatter the whole Ghana and then na udu awoda from Miami boss Patrick or say Ajiman countryman Songo or say happy birthday Sonko and Farmer Junior Tiero and they also udi awoda Alaji Makosa bibia come there.
Oh, Kobe bibia okay.
All right. Yeah share line up no enya emetoja officially you go so tete senke beba but now no game way a match it me qualify free South Africa and Ghana.
What's Kobe say team qualify said okay because we share your group now say I ding dong what I say o do know want to say because we share Sudan for near breeding den say kwan bia say so qualify because no am ko win match against Sao Tome am ko away ko share 2-0 next so musu ni Ghana South Africa any Sudan you know 9 points what I say now almost returning leg almost South Africa for na bebo what I say in South Africa for 20 years say almost share Ghana no almost silly qualification what I say in Ghana say at some there so into coach Sika Kono yesterday one after players no ko yam pese kululu bia besi say won timi fala na pono kra ba aka 2 hours spend ya start match no
line up mine
this is the line up be 24 hours ka ultimi line up but ultimi say dia na ekoso our camper ultimi for line up mama ehun say we neighbor ultimi say no ma ekoso no enkoye but me dia me pese me the fire no be too much on so ne as a Ghanaian you pese qualify
and then so qualify
you pese nipa ba kunti na Ghana nyina bibia say da bi Sika Kono de bia me kan local coaches yesterday yeah, the national team no mama obi amfa ni nsam njichem o ja say won go for the player bia free baby am say o timi farmer enu bi na man say ya me ka say o timi fala na polo man
na say born here 4 o'clock
4 o'clock dia ade ya nyina ya nhwe international match say ga da ben ya ba ebo match 4 o'clock you timi ball no 7 o'clock
1 hour before kick off
oh massa
ebi ba 2
hours international match we na club matches international national team
think say by this time
ya ba why your team nyina wie wo hu ne say ko na ebo ne ne ntimi mo
na man difference now we
me see problem aye problem mano aye da junior ma coach no ntimi first 11 no and I dey no ko so players no Manchester for nyina gum obede ko mi poku na etu o just say ba ko Manchester ba ko ba say
poku free
yes it is say you it Ghana for mun hwe ni ye uti ko poku a hwe say akotoko player na Manchester player o just say it ehu ni e ko o timi fama it yesre me pese fire no be too much ye nyina Ghana for ye hwe so wonye the right thing na Ghana yintimi nya good results anye dan ya Ghana yintimi nya draw bi mra na ehu say enye Sao Tome o ha na ye ku o mu kra na bibia firi ho but boys no so yesre say na no e ka no obi obenya akonya bia ma ya for first 11 and obenya akonya bom ati bia kuuma na chi no
okay
kuuma man no na ehu say ye next time ye frewa Ghana ni bia no obetima ka asem boni bia fa ho.
All right Alaji mamenda say na Andy Eshen ewo Asida FM o say done deal at the Ghana and afi Mr. George Dazi also RFA vice chairman of Western region and also say done deal at the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana ye be see na me atuma china adumbi edume ye be sapa na ye de aka nyina dan so ye de abro ye sori so a unim say anocho apa na wo de sima be se numede enimi wo ba be ma ye hu ensema wodo a eno so ekoso mede ni Kobe Stone okoman kra pa ko amaka ensuroja aduru a enyono numero 1 sheshe